Well, it's raining outside. You can see the deck is getting wet. You see little bits of rain. Oh, now it's really coming down. I wonder where that little kitty went. The girl went somewhere. There's Pokey. Hi, Pokey. Can you meow? No? Okay. Guess not. Beautiful rain. Love it when it rains. I feel sorry for my fiance, though. He's out in this weather, driving, or God only knows. At least he's done with work, I think. He had to go across the James River Bridge. And Isle of Wight. Ooh, lightning. Wonder if we can get that to happen again. Beautiful. Maybe I'll get some more lightning, that'd be cool. And thunder. I can't open the door because we don't have a screen door. I'm filming, kiddo. A kid decided to be annoying. I'm seeing if it's gonna make lightning again. Make lightning. If it will strike down again. Or if we'll hear some thunder. There's some lightning. And there's some thunder. Beautiful. I love it when it rains like this. I took some ibuprofen. My head is still killing me, though. It's quite nice. JP Productions, look at this. You live in North Carolina, I live in Virginia. So, both should be getting some rain. Hope Mumbles or Panther is okay. My cat Gumby's in the computer room. We have 4 cats. I think I just saw a bird fly into a tree. Oh. Well, here you have it, people. Beautiful rain. Ooh, more lightning. I don't know if you can hear that. Maybe that's why I had a bad headache. The storm was coming. Who knows? With the weather change, sometimes that gives people headaches, I guess. I don't know. Sure, it rains and pours really bad, and that's all of a sudden when the street gets busy. You saw those rims on those tires? Sheesh. I got a little itty bitty penis. That's why I have those rims on my tire. I have to make my tires up real high because I am small. Usually most guys who drive, not all, but there's a lot of them who drive a Hummer who are very itty bitty. Not all, but some. It's really coming down. It's nice. Our swing's getting soaked. That little thing down there is where we made a little house for her, but she's too stupid to stay in it where it'd be nice and dry. Dumb cat. I don't know where she's at. Well, I offered to let her inside, but she's on one side. Oh, what's this? A little, Oh, hey, Gumby. Are you, visiting with Pokey? Hey, don't, no. Pokey's being good. Leave him alone, Gumby. Something's wrong with his left eye. Keeps winking. Ew, dirty floor. And worst of all, the vacuum's broken, so I can't vacuum it.
Oh, Pokey.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this. You guys have a great day.